Hey y'all, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. On my last video, we did a little low carb baked barbecue chicken, and today I'm going to show you one of the little, it's more like an appetizer, but I'm going to tell you what, this little appetizer has filled my belly more than once when I was on a diet, and this is super low carb, and that's a jalapeno popper. Now I'm just going to make the basic jalapeno popper. I'm surprised at the people that have said they don't really know how to do this, and this is great for, like I said, an appetizer. This is good to prep. If you are eating low carb, you can just make a big batch of them, prep for the week, and just grab one when you're hungry. And or hey, the Super Bowl, New Year's Eve, it could be for anything. So I'm just going to show you. Now I'm going to keep it simple. Like I said, I'm just going to use the basic ingredients. But for jalapeno poppers, you can do them all sorts of ways. You can, now I'm going to do some cream cheese and the bacon and of course jalapenos, you need that. But I am going to add just a little bit of garlic powder into my softened cream cheese, which I have here. Already got that open, and I'll probably need two, but I think I'll just start off with 1.5 of these. I do love the creaminess of the cream cheese in it. It kind of cools it off for me, because y'all know, I've already told you, I'm a big wimp when it comes to stuff. So this really goes well with that jalapeno pepper. I love the flavor of the jalapeno pepper, and so you best believe I'm gonna get these seeds out. If you seed it right, they are not that hot. They are you just get that full flavor in that pepper. So I've just mixed about a tablespoon of garlic powder into my cream cheese, and I did have that softened. I've got just a pack of bacon, and I just cut it in half, and I've got my washed jalapenos here. So I'm gonna get some gloves on. I'm gonna tell you what, don't make the mistake of not putting some gloves on, because you will not realize that you'll be scratching your eye or something a day later, and it will light your fire. I am not kidding you. So this is the most important part of the jalapeno poppers for me. Now I'm going to just start by cutting these peppers long ways. You can cut the stem off, you can leave the stem on, it is completely up to you. But I'm going to start by cutting these and show you how I spoon out the seeds. All right, my first step, and you can do this in whatever order you want to, but I like to just start by cutting the peppers. And I'm going to just lay them over here, because I'm going to scoop those out in a minute. But I figured I'm on a roll, just keep it going. You want to get your peppers, some nice, good sized peppers if you can find them. All right. This is going to make a good many. However many peppers you get, obviously it's going to double. Now, like I told you, I put these up, put them in the refrigerator, and I will munch on these through the week. Now, when I am on the keto diet full time, I make these up on a Sunday, and I won't even tell you how many I make up, because it is embarrassing, because I love them, and I will totally eat these when I'm hungry. I'll pull them right on out and enjoy them. And I've got my oven set to 425 over there. You want to set it higher for that bacon to get really crispy. Now, I told you there's many variations of this. You can add some cheese into your your cream cheese mixture with that garlic. Some people even start by cooking the bacon and get it real crispy and putting the filling into the pepper and then just putting that crispy bacon on top. So of course you wouldn't want to cook that at 425 necessarily if the bacon's already cooked. But you just basically want this pepper to get nice and tender. Okay, now I'm gonna scoot this out the way. And this is what I do, y'all. I get me a little Walmart bag or something, or the bag that these peppers come in, and I just take my spoon, and you want to scrape all that heat out of there. That stem in here, that's what makes it really hot. So this is about how this will look. But I'm just going to clean all of these out, scoop my spoon, and a spoon just seems to be the best thing for me. If that little stem comes off, it's just fine because you're not eating that anyway. Sometimes I'll just cut the stem completely off to begin with before I even start doing this. So I'm just going to clean these out, and then we're going to fill them up and wrap them with some bacon, and this is just so easy. And it's low carb, just happens to be. Okay, y'all, I have got all them little seeds out, taking all that hot heat away. You might see an occasional seed, and I just flip them over, give them a thump. They'll come right out of there. Well, right into the other one. But anyway, that's the easy way to do that. Now, I have changed my gloves because those had seeds all over it. I'm just going to take my little spoon here and just give it a little scoop. We're just going to fill this up, just mash it down just like this. Then we're going to, and I do everything in steps. Instead of stopping to go ahead and wrap the bacon, I'm just going to fill them all up, and then I'm going to wrap the bacon. And I do like a lot of cream cheese in it. It's just, it really just cuts down on them if they're hot. Sometimes no matter what you do to them, you just get a hot pepper. So just going to fill these up here. And then we'll start wrapping them. Y'all let me know what's some recipes that y'all would like to see low carb. If there's something that you seen that you just love. I know I have taken all kind of things. I even mastered a chantilly cake like you would get at Publix. So I really like doing the sweets. That's where we struggle. We start missing them sweets, and so I have learned to do all kind of pies and some cake, and you still have to watch the carbs on that. But it's really nice when you're just craving something sweet. At least it's not, at least you're not eating some, a big old candy bar or something like that. It's going to be lower carb than that. All right, I'm just going to fill these up real quick. All right, all of them's filled up. Starting to look really good. Now I'm just going to take a piece of bacon and just wrap it around just like this. And when we cook this little bacon's just going to get crispy on this jalapeno, and it's wrapped in it, so that jalapeno is going to get super tender. I mean, just delicious. Let's see, this is a big old piece on this little fella here. And you can save some bacon if you just want to fry it. It doesn't take as much bacon if you want to just be frugal with it. You can actually even just add the crispy bacon into this cream cheese mixture. Just however you want to do it. I have run out of bacon before. Went to the refrigerator and thought I had a whole bunch of bacon, and I didn't. And I would just I've snipped this in half, but I snipped it 4 ways, and I just laid me a piece of bacon on top, and it worked out great too. So there's no, you know, certain way you gotta do it. Just you do you. I'm gonna just wrap these up now and try to get these in the oven pretty quick. All right, we got these little appetizers all ready to go in the oven. They all wrapped up and ready to be baked. So I'm gonna put them in the oven at 425, and I'm gonna bake them until this bacon is crispy. You don't want no raw chewy bacon, so probably be about 25 minutes or so, but I'll keep an eye on it for you and let you know how much time it took. Okay, y'all, they have cooked. I cooked the 25 minutes, and this bacon was kind of thick, so I went for another 5 minutes. So I have cooked them now for a total of 30 minutes, and I didn't wrap them really good, so they kind of popped loose as they were cooking. But anyway, I used less bacon on it, that's why it didn't do that. But anyway, they're gonna be good regardless. I like them dipped in a little ranch. Russ don't need nothing on his, but that cool ranch and this hot pepper is really good too. It helps it cool it off. So I'm just gonna let Russell give it a little taste. All right, y'all, got them on my plate. And I am ready to give these a try. These is just one of my favorites. So come on, Russell, come on in here.
Hey, y'all. Hey, Dan. Look at here.
Looky.
Little jalapeno.
Little jalapeno popper.
Yeah.
Yes.
They be smelling good, y'all.
They do. Our house smells so good right now.
So good. The pepper smells.
Does.
They smell awesome. And the bacon, man.
Oh yes. You can't go wrong with that.
They're best when they're fresh.
They really are.
I mean, they're good reheated.
Yeah, they're
really good for a snack. I mean, you know. Yeah. You get hungry and...
They are. That cream cheese, if you're on the keto diet, that cream cheese and that bacon, the fats in it, you know you've got to have extra fat.
Yep.
It does carry you farther than something else may, some little bit of junk or something that you would grab.
It's got a little sweet taste to it too.
It does. When it's nice and soft, it does have a little sweet taste to it. It's really good. So you ready for this?
I'm ready for this. I'm diving in. You ready for this?
I'll taste it with you, baby.
Yeah, listen, I need encouragement. So, you know, we're going to do the, you know, we're trying to do the healthier thing. So hop on in there and let's grab one. You grab one.
Well, let's see. We going to get off the big plate or the little plate?
It don't matter. Either plate.
We can get off this plate. We can get off this.
The little plate?
We'll go off the little plate.
All right.
All right.
You go ahead then.
I'm going to just get on in there with mine.
All right.
Go ahead.
Grab me one here.
Yeah, that one probably your best bet.
That one never had the bacon. It's hot.
It is hot. Cheers. Cheers, Russell. Oh, it is hot.
I lit my finger, y'all.
So good.
You're going to have to get me in the comments.
So good.
It's delicious.
It is really good. Just a little messy. Eating it like this.
There's nothing wrong with messy.
It is so good. It really is.
The bacon's crunchy.
Little crispy bacon. Got just a little heat, but that cream cheese cuts it.
It's perfect.
It really does. And now you can stuff these with all kind of stuff. I've stuffed them with chicken and did a little buffalo chicken and did cream cheese and chicken with a little hot sauce or buffalo sauce on it.
Peppers are good.
They are really good.
Still
and
fresh, crispy.
Yep.
Yeah.
And if you're a wuss and just scared to death of a jalapeno, then you can. It really ain't. Once you seed it and take that vein out, it really is not hot. But if you're scared of it, then you could do this in a bell pepper or a mushroom or onion. You can stuff just about whatever.
Use your creativity.
Yes, be creative. Be creative.
Yeah.
But I'm getting a little sloppy. I'm gonna set mine right here. This is gonna be my plate anyway. It's gonna be my my little plate right there anyway. So
very good, y'all.
it is very good.
Yeah.
And
it's got your fats in it if you're doing low carb. If you're trying to go keto,
it does. Got your protein, got everything, got your little vegetable.
Yeah.
Yep.
Tell us in the comments what you think about the peppers, y'all.
Yeah.
They are delicious. You should give them a try.
And this is something you can just prep, pull out,
You're right.
Because that's the hardest problem for us on this diet is just go-to food. Like it's hard to go to through like a drive-through or whatever and eat good.
Yeah, it is. It's even just like getting meat or cheese or whatever.
You don't know what's in it.
It's all processed. It's all. You don't really know what you're getting.
You really don't.
No.
You don't. But anyway, this is a good just a go-to for a little snack or whatever. I eat it for lunch. I eat a few for lunch and I'm done.
You take 2 or 3 with you and take it on.
Yep.
You know, whatever you're eating, it's like a good for a snack or good for even you can use it as dessert or whatever. It's very good.
It is. And so if you try it, let me know.
Yeah, get in them comments.
And get in them comments, y'all. And check out our little shorts. He's been working on some little shorts.
Some stuff, you know?
But anyway.
Keep things different. Change things up.
But once again, we appreciate
all the support.
Yes.
All of it.
And if you've watched this long, bless you.
Yeah,
Bless you.
We appreciate every one of you, every single one of you. Yeah.
Yep. But anyway, till next time.
Peace.